Howdy and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Island edition. Welcome to the Caymans here. This is a kind of a family vacay. OSG hitting me with some sunscreen. I am super pale, super white right now. I need it. Here's what we got coming at you today. We're going to do a couples time trial water jet ski. There's no other kind of jet ski that's a land jet ski, so it's just going to be wave runner and fishing challenge. Here with us today, we have the man, the myth, the mullet.
Hey, she got water shorts too.
My old boy Outlaw and their girls. So we're gonna have a couples competition, babe. I need that backside right there. I can feel this sun down here is literally tearing me apart.
It's squeaky.
Okay, so here's the other thing. We are not going to be using rod and reels in this challenge. We're gonna be doing things with just a hand line and some squid. So here are the rules. We're gonna take one of these jet skis that looks like it came straight off the set of Waterworld with Kevin Costner. We're going to zoom out there to, there's a yellow buoy, a small yellow buoy out there. We're gonna zoom out there. Here's the drivers though. The drivers are gonna be our girls. The girls are gonna zoom us out there. We're gonna be on the back. We have to catch a fish, zoom back here as soon as we catch that fish, and whoever makes the best time there and back with catching a fish wins the competition. What are we using for bait today?
Some squid. Squidward? Squids! And so I think we just cut up some pieces. We use this bag. There's like compartments in these jet skis. So put some squid in here, a few extra hooks, a few extra weights because you get snagged on everything out here. And then just rip it.
Just rip it. You've got the most experience out here. You've been coming here since you were a child.
Yes.
Your first mullet hairs were grown here.
That's right.
OSG, I don't think, has ever driven a jet ski, and this is her first time out of the country. So a lot of big things happening here. We're gonna let them drive around, get used to the jet skis a little bit. We just drove them from the other side of the island, so we already kind of get the gist of them. I think it's gonna be much more fun having our girls whip around on these jet skis. Teams for today's competition. We have Team Outlaw, Team Mullet, and you know it, y'all, Team Silverware. Now, since the gals have not been on the jet skis yet, we are going to let them do a little test run, get used to it so they don't kill us, and then we're gonna start our time trials.
Well, we're watching them over there. They're all staring each other down. Hopefully they don't run us out of gas. Hopefully they come back at some point.
At the end of the day, they're just spending our money out there.
They are, dude.
I'm like shaking. Ooh, I'm a bad turner.
Oh, this is not good for us.
I don't know.
Okay, here's the rules. I've got a watch. I'm gonna hit timer. Start timing it. We're gonna say 1, 2, 3, go. We gotta race out past the buoy. Once you get past the buoy, you can start fishing. Woo! I might just ride back here. Okay, the timer has begun. Oh shoot! Go, 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 go! Go! We gotta make it past the buoy. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! It is, we ain't gonna pass it before we can fish. Okay, now we can start fishing anywhere, but we need to find a good little rocky bottom spot. Just race over towards them. Race over towards Outlaw. There we go. Get that out. Give me a squid. Oh man, it's deep. Like it's... Okay, I'm gonna rig this, double rig it. Double rig the squids. This is a yo-yo rig. It's basically just a little weight. We're gonna hand line it out. We are going for, we're the closest right now. So even if they catch one, they still gotta make it all the way back here. Yeah, get over this dark spot, see it? Reel it back in. Speed up a little bit, give it a little gas. Go straight towards that white buoy. Left. The white buoy. Okay, now kill it. Kill it! Wait! Kill it does not mean go fast.
Okay, we can still beat them.
Okay, yeah. Right now we're fishing for second. Okay, turn back the other way. Oh man. We don't have any more hooks. I think we're done. Yeah. Yeah. Put that on the thing. Alright, Mike is being gracious enough to help me in this situation. Try. Babe, get us to that buoy. Not getting nibbles anymore. They might have taken it. This is hard, dude.
Yeah, there's definitely something we have to acquire.
They just keep, yeah, they nibble my bait off. Oh, 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 I lost it. Oh. Oh, I had him. If they're not eating it, you don't have bait. That's clear. Figuring that part out. Okay, getting this dialed. This time I'm just gonna let him eat. Let him eat, let him eat, let him eat. Let him eat, then we're gonna zoom in. I got this. That's about it. That's all we got. Okay, I got it. Okay, we gotta make it count. Make our squids count. Make every squid count, babe. Yes. God, I think they already took it before I could even. But yeah, I don't have anything. Yeah, how in the world is this happening? Eyeball and everything. This is our last piece. Oh my gosh. I don't think this one's gonna work because it's too big. I think it's too big. I can feel it biting it. But they took it. They're like little raptors, piranhas. They must be like reef fish, literally reef fish that are just nibbling it. Unbelievable. Yeah, this is going to be the easiest for them to take because it's just tentacles. I'm going to try to like hook every tentacle on here. Mullet Man's got the magic touch on these things. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. They're taking it.
Nibble, nibble, nibble.
Let them take it. I'm giving them line. But it's going.
You're feeding them.
I'm trying every technique I know. This is a straight hand angle. Let's try a tiny piece. Look for a long cast there. Come on. Come on, baby. Is there any more squid? There's only one more? Oh my gosh. And it's a tentacle piece. This ain't good. This is not good. We gotta find it. Okay, here it is. It's already gonna be eaten, I know. This just wasn't our day. All right, we might as well just go over to them. I need more squid.
We can't get it. We keep getting bites, but nothing more.
Give me some squid. All right, don't run into them. All right, we're gonna tie it to that same buoy. There's a giant sea turtle over here.
I know, we saw it.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Where?
I have a feeling it's gonna be better over there with the sea turtles. Let's go fish over there.
Okay.
We got our squid. We'll be right back. There it is. Just gonna grab that rope, okay?
Okay.
Steer us toward the rope.
Steering.
Yep.
As far as I can. Okay, I'm killing it.
Okay. That was a good turn, my dear. Yep. I bet they took my bait already. Feel the bait. Yep, still got it. Okay. Key is just getting it to the bottom. Another squid? Nope. Oh, shoot. Oh, I got something big. I got something big. I've got something big here. I'm serious. Oh my gosh. This thing's fighting. Got something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's taking off. No, it came off. Oh my gosh, it was big. Like, I don't know how. It was pulling us. I had a legit big fish on. Okay, give me another squid. Thing was pulling me around. Oh, I got one. Oh, it came off. Oh, they're biting it way better over here though. Okay, now I got him. It's a big one. It's a big fish. Oh, he come off. Oh, well, we came in last.
Oh man, why does it always happen? I feel like
Always happen.
well, the other couple.
We lost to the wife fishing challenge that one time.
That was on me.
You dumped me a couple times. What was up with that?
I'm sorry. To be fair, I didn't mean to, but once we got our communication going right,
This is like a marriage counseling session. Kill it does not mean go.
in my mind it was like, kill it, just go, beeline over there.
No. I had something big on. I don't know what it was. It could have been a grouper, could have been jack. There's all sorts of stuff out here. Jared ended up catching some sort of like grouper, snapper grouper or something. He had something big on. So here's what we're gonna do. After getting a little bit of inspiration from that, we're gonna go actually fish off these jet skis in some better spots. This was fun.
Yeah. Did it rev up your engine?
lost.
Are you like totally revved up?
I'm revved
Go get
up.
'em back.
And then our jet ski also ended up just taking on water.
Our
and
jet ski was sabotaged.
I don't know. We just, why are we running into so many problems? It's like our equipment, the things that we operate, we have bad juju or
It's
something.
because we're the strongest couple out there, and they know that, so they're just trying to sabotage us.
That's probably what happened. Do you think that's what happened to our house too?
Maybe.
Someone sabotaged our house, trying to bring us down. We're not. Positive attitude conquers all. I've had a chance to get in there, look at some dangle options. I've got myself a rod and reel ready to go. So, on my rod and reel, what I decided to do is basically rig up a drop shot. I've got a small, looks like number 1 or number 2 size octopus hook, rigged on like I would do a bottom catfish rig, the little barrel weight, and that's on 30-pound mono, and then I've got braid, so we'll see how that works out. We're gonna use some squid and go out to some areas and see if we can hook into some fish. I need some squid. Got me a nice juicy head. Getting some big bites?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bite. That's a nice bite there.
Oh, me too.
Okay, you want to switch me? Because this thing's about to flip. There's a lot of water in here.
Alright, unhook yourself. Yeah, dude.
Oh my, dude, I'm going down. Like there's not even a question. Unhook me, bro.
Off and turn it on and don't stop.
Unhook me, bro. Bro, I'm going down. I'm telling you.
Give me the, which one's his?
Unhook them both. Here, hold my rod, dude. Dude, unhook me. Bro, unhook me, quick.
I can't freaking get over there.
Dude, I'm sinking. I tried to tell you. Oh my God. Dude, I'm dead. I'm dead in the water. Dude. No. Dude, there's line. There's line. Hook to this. Dude, there's braid that's gonna cut somebody's head off. Chop the thing off. Oh my gosh.
Alright, you're good.
I about killed myself trying to fight that shit.
Dude, I can't ride this.
You're gonna have to tow it.
There's a clip. I got another clip, dude.
Alright, get it.
Dude, I can't. I'm gonna flip.
You want me to get out?
You got 2 lines on there?
What?
You got 2 ropes on there? We need an extra line.
No, you're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Alright. Jump on.
Yes. Come on, bro. Oh no. These things are chained. Woo. Oh. Came out here to do some extra fishing after the competition. I knew that ours was sagging a little bit. I certainly wasn't going to say it was OSG. And turns out it wasn't, of course. It was just taking on water. So, almost went down. Thank God I was with my buddies and not by myself.
Here. That would have been a new reef.
Yeah, new reef. Woo! You were just starting to get bites too.
No.
Okay, we made it back in. Thank goodness. So my jet ski had a hole in it. All right, folks. I am finally back, safe and sound, covered in salt. Thought I was gonna go down in the ocean today. Luckily, my friend saved me. Just a little cautionary tale. If you're gonna ride some jet skis in the Caymans, you pull up there and they look like they came off the movie set of Waterworld in 1984. Probably just take a hard pass.
For sure, take a hard pass. And try to get your money back, which we didn't do.
We were just glad to be in. But thank you for saving me today. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for the ride. I wish I was filming.
And you're the only one that caught a fish. So congratulations on
Hey,
that.
man,
You caught a squirrel fish.
I can catch a fish.
Okay, y'all. Now we're gonna be doing some more adventures while we're here. Obviously, subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss it. Go to the Lake Life Family channel because we're gonna be doing some hanging out here at this amazing place. And big shout out to today's sponsor, Mullet Man and his family, for letting us stay here. The first time I ever met Mullet Man, the Miss. He was like, hey, you got to get down here to the Caymans. I'm like, man, I just met you. I'm not going to some small island. Turns out he's a super cool dude, and you need to go subscribe to his channel. He's got some crazy stuff going on, including things here on the island. So, Outlaw's down there as well. I love you guys. Make sure to hit the like button because I'm still alive. And I'll see you on the next angle here in the island.